Welcome back, fellow WordPress enthusiasts. Today we're tackling a common dilemma faced by many users: the struggle to change the footer on a WordPress theme when traditional methods fall short. You've probably tried plugins, theme customizers, even visual footer credit removers, but the default footer remains as stubborn as a mule. It's like trying to move a mountain with a spoon, isn't it? Well, fret not. I've got you covered with a simple yet effective solution. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. Step 1. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance and select Theme Editor from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll find all the files that make up your theme. Now, in the right-hand column, you'll see a list of theme files. You'll want to locate the footer.php file. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. Click on it to open it up in the editor. Now here's where we get down to business. Look for a line of code that contains the do_action function. This is the culprit that's been causing all the trouble. To remove the default footer, simply change the do_action function to any random value. Be sure to remember to hit Update File to save your changes. Voila! Your default footer has vanished into thin air. But don't panic, we're not leaving your website footerless. It's time for Step 2. Step 2. Return to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance once again. This time, choose Customize. This is your creative playground, where you can tweak your website to your heart's content. Are you there? Good. Now look for the Custom CSS section. You might have to scroll a bit, but it's there, I promise. This little section is where the real magic happens. Ready to create your custom footer? Let's dive in. Start by adding your custom CSS code. Don't worry if you're not a coding wizard, there are plenty of online resources to help you out. This is your chance to create a footer that aligns perfectly with your website's aesthetic. Add links, images, or any other elements you fancy. Once you're satisfied with your custom footer design, hit Publish and step back to marvel at your masterpiece. And there you have it, folks, a two-step solution to conquer the stubborn WordPress theme footer. We've navigated through the maze of the WordPress dashboard, played with a little coding magic, and emerged victorious with a personalized footer. No need for pro versions or complex plugins, just simple steps to give your website that unique touch. Until we meet again, may your WordPress journey be smooth and your creativity flowing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more WordPress tips and tricks.